Good morning, students. Okay, in last previous session, okay, I explained about the discovery of periodic tables. Okay, some are the new. First one is Daubeney, Newland, and Lothar Meyer, Mendeleev, and a modern periodic table. And next one is long form of periodic table. It is a very important long form of periodic table. Okay, you have to practice this long form of periodic table, and who given? Okay, this long form of periodic table was arranged by a group of peoples. Okay, those are the scientists Werner, Rank, Bohr, and Bury. Okay, these are the scientists, okay, who arranged the long form of periodic table. Okay, some modern, okay, after the Mendeleev periodic table, modern periodic table came. That is nothing but modified Mendeleev periodic table. Modified Mendeleev periodic table. That modified Mendeleev periodic table is nothing but modern periodic table only. Next one is advanced one is long form of periodic table. Okay, this long form of periodic table having some advantages and very easy to remember, and we can take the same modern periodic table terms also we can use here. Okay, we can use in the long form of periodic table. And what are the characteristics? Okay, what are the characteristics? Okay, first one you can take long form of periodic table was based on atomic numbers. Okay, based on atomic numbers. Atomic numbers is the important. And we have one more law is there, modern periodic law. The periodic property, the physical and chemical properties of an elements were periodic function of atomic number. Here also we are taking the atomic number is a most important fundamental property of elements, atomic number. And here the elements properties are repeatedly comes in the intervals of 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. Okay, that means after second element, after second it's having one element, and after 8 elements, after that one more element will comes. Okay, that element having some same properties. Okay, that's the meaning of the periodic. Okay, repeatedly comes in the intervals of 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32. Okay, we will see in that periodic table. We'll get that why these intervals are coming. Okay, students, here the 18 groups. Okay, 18 groups are present and 7 periods are there. 18 groups, 7 periods. And these 18 groups of elements are broadly classified into 3 types. Okay, one is representative elements, transition elements, inner transition elements. Okay, representative elements, transition elements, inner transition elements. And here 3 groups are there. First group is representative. In this representative elements, which groups are present? Okay, we have in total 18. In that 18, first group, second group, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, we have to use only numericals but not the Roman numbers in long form of periodic table. In long form of periodic table, we have to use only numericals. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, but not Roman numbers. Okay, we cannot use the Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, first one, second one. Okay, we cannot use this one. Okay, this will be if it is represented in the Roman numbers. Okay, that will be related to modified Mendeleev periodic table or modern periodic table. Okay, if you use this 1, 2, 3 numericals, that will be long form of periodic table. And the elements that are present in group number 1, group number 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 are the representative elements. And transition elements. Okay, transition elements are the group number 3 to group number 12. Group number 3 to group number 12. Okay, those are transition elements. And inner transition elements are there. Okay, those are lanthanoid and actinoid. Okay, that will be separately they given in the below of that periodic table. Okay, that will be third group. You can take as a third group, and having that third group, we have 28 elements are referred as a lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, 14 and 14. Okay, that will be lanthanoid and actinoid. Okay, these are about the groups, and then we'll move to the what about the periods. Okay, in first period, how many elements are there? Second period, third period, fourth period, fifth, sixth, seventh. up to 7. 7 periods, 18 groups. In those 18 groups, we can broadly classify based on the okay, one is representative transition and inner transition, and we have one more classification that is in a block wise. Okay, next session we will discuss about the S block, P block, D block and F block elements. Okay, that will be discussed later. Okay, first we will see the what about the periods, okay, number of elements in the periods, then I will explain about the long form of periodic table. Okay students, here the 7 periods are there, okay, 18 groups in long form of periodic table. It's the first period, okay, first period starts with a hydrogen and having helium. Hydrogen and helium, only two elements are present, okay, two elements are present in the first period. In the second period, okay, starts with a lithium and end with a neon, okay, lithium to neon, okay, lithium is in atomic number is 3 and neon is in a 10, okay, lithium to neon. And next sodium to argon, okay, sodium to argon, that is a third period, okay, third period. And here the 8 elements are there, and again here the sodium to, okay, here also 8 elements, and here the 18 elements are present in the fourth period. Here the potassium, okay, is in a K and 19 atomic number up to krypton, okay, 36, up to 36 krypton. And here the fifth period, okay, fifth period having starts with a rubidium, Rb, rubidium, 37 atomic number, and up to 54 atomic number, that is a xenon, okay, xenon 54. Next sixth period starts with a cesium, Cs, cesium, and end with a radon, Rn, radon. And here the seventh period starts with francium, Fr, 87 is an atomic number, and Og you can take as a octane, and that will be 118 is an element, 118 element. And here the in the 15th group, okay, fifth period 18 elements, and next 32 we have again 32 elements are there, 32 elements. Okay, this is about the period wise. Okay, what about the element, starting element and the ending element in the period? You can remember easily. First A group element or group number 1. First A group is in a representation within a modern, and group number 1. Okay, group number 1, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. It's a first A group element or alkali metals. Okay, alkali metals. And last, that's an 18th group. 18th group having helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and Og. That's a 118 atomic number. You can take as atomic numbers are 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86 and 118. And when you know this 2, okay, you can remember as 0 group element. That's it. You can start with a 2, 10, 18, 36, 54 and 86. Okay, these numbers you have to remember. Okay, this is a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, Xc, xenon and radon, Rn, okay, radon. Okay, these elements, if you remember the atomic numbers for the 0 group elements, you can remember, you can go to any element, okay, we can get that element atomic number. For example, see here helium is 2 and the lithium should be 3. If it is neon is 10, sodium is 11. If it is argon is 18 and here the 19. Here the 36, here the 37 and here the 54 and next number will be 55 and here the 86 and here the 87 and last one is in a 118. Okay, this is about the period wise and group wise. Okay, next we will move to the long form of periodic table. Okay students, here the one type of long form of periodic table. Okay, how I am arranging, okay, same like you have to practice. Okay, here first we have to take as a 7 periods, okay, 7 periods and 18 groups, 18 groups. Okay, you have to very clear. Okay, 7 periods are the horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are the periods. Vertical lines are the groups. Okay, vertical lines are the groups. Okay, starting with here, okay, hydrogen will start. Okay, first period. Okay, how many elements are there? Hydrogen, and last one we have a helium. Hydrogen and helium. Okay, next we will write this in a group wise. Hydrogen. Okay, next we can write as a hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Cesium and francium. Okay, first group. Okay, group number 1 we can take. Group number 1. Okay, next group, second group we can take. Okay, second group is having beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Okay, second group. Okay, after writing group wise you can practice hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Okay, then I will write this in a 13 group. We will write, okay, 13 group. Here 13th group having group number 13. Okay, here we can start with a boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. Next, after boron, carbon will come. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Okay, after that carbon, after that we can get the 15th group. Group number 15 having nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Next, 16th oxygen. We start with an oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Next we will start with 17 fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Next, last one we can take as a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay, these are the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, whatever I wrote, okay, first I wrote the group number 1, group number 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And these are called as representative elements. Again, this word is coming. Okay, representative elements. Which elements are there? Okay, in long form of periodic table, group number 1, 2 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, these are the representative elements. And again we'll see S block elements first and second. Okay, group number 1 and group number 2. Okay, those elements are present. Okay, those are called as S block elements. And these are P block elements. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 elements are called as P block elements. Again blockwise. Okay, blockwise segregation. In that case, S block, P block. S and P block combinedly called as representative elements. And then we will write the transition elements. Okay, what about the transition elements? Okay, transition element starts here. Okay, here the calcium. After calcium, we can start with scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Okay, same like that we will start with here yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium and silver, and last one is cadmium. Next here lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum and mercury. Okay, these are the elements that are transition elements. Here again one more time I am writing. Here this scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Next, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. Lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum and mercury. Okay, these are the transition elements. And we have to write the atomic number. Okay, already given. Okay, you have to remember last one. Okay, this will be very important. Okay, last. Okay, you will write the 0 group, 18 group in the long form of periodic table, 0 group in the modern periodic table. Here we will write the atomic number. Okay, atomic number is here 2, 10, 18, 36, 54 and 86. Okay, this is an atomic number for the 0, okay, 18 group, okay, 2, 10, 18, 36, 54 and 86. Then you can get the all the other elements atomic number. If it is 2 is there, this will be 1, okay, this will be atomic number 1, and here 3, and there will be 18, okay, 10 is there, here 11, 18 is there, here you have to write as a 19, 36 is there, here 37, 36 means here we have to write as a 37, and 54 is there, okay, 54 here 55, and here 86 is there, you can write as a 87, and you can take the last element having 118 element, okay, OG you can write as a OG, okay, these are the elements. Okay, next we will write the atomic number, okay, we can write all atomic number, okay, if you know the 0, 18 group and group number 1, 18 group and group number 1 atomic numbers, if you know, you can write the all the atomic numbers, okay, I will write here, okay, you can 3, here 4 we can write, and here we write as a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will comes. Next here 11 and 12 is there, and here the 12 is there, here we have to write 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, after that 18 will comes. Next here the 19 and here the 20 we can write, and 21 to 22, 23 up to 30, okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 and 30. Next this will be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Same like that you can start here, okay, the 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47 and 48, up to 48 is cadmium. Next 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and again 54, 54 is coming here, xenon. Next same like that here 55 is there, 56 and 57 and here 72, okay, very important, 57 lanthanum, and after that hafnium is 72. Okay, what are missing numbers? Here the 58 is missing, 58 and up to 71, 58 to 71. Okay, 58 to 71 is nothing but here the cerium to lutetium, cerium to lutetium, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. Okay, these are the 14 elements, okay, I will write separately. Thus 14 elements are the lanthanoids, and here we have to start with 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. If it is here 80 and that will be 86, you can start with 81, 83, 84 and 85 and 86. Okay, that will be the atomic numbers. Okay, this is a way to remember the atomic numbers. That's 86 is there, here 87, 88, here 89, actinum is 89 and here 90. Okay, 92. Okay, what about the 90 element? This is thorium. Thorium to, okay, Lr, okay, lawrencium. Okay, thorium to lawrencium. This is 103. Okay, 103 element. If you take 104, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 104. Okay, you have to check as a 103. Here 104 if it is there, you can count it. Okay, you will get as a 118. It will get as a 118 element number. Okay, the between here first, second, third, fourth. Okay, these are the transition elements. Okay, they are the transition elements. Okay, in order to get a clear idea, you can remove these boxes. Okay, up to you can remove these boxes. Okay, that will be look like your normal periodic table because here no elements are there. Okay, up to clear here. Okay, then we can take this memory. Okay, we can take the three parts. Here the left side and right side, and this also no need of these boxes here. Okay, next here the first group, second, third, fourth. Okay, we can write same as this, and I will give the modern periodic table Roman numbers. Okay, Roman numbers. Here first A, second A, and this third A, fourth A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A, and here the 8th. Okay, here the 8th. Okay, 8th. And here you can take as a 1B, 2nd B, 3rd B, 4th B, 5th B, 6th B, and here the 7th B, and it's a 0 group elements. Okay, 0 group elements. Okay, whatever the number, okay, numericals are referred to the long form of periodic table, and whatever the Roman letters, okay, Roman letters. Here, 1st A, 2nd A, 3rd A to 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A. Okay, 7th A we have, and 7th B we have. Okay, 7th A, 7th B. 7th A and 7th B. And here the 8th having here 0 group. Here the 0 group. Okay, that's then for the comparing to the long form of periodic table with the modern periodic table. Okay, after the modern periodic table, we are getting as a long form of periodic table. In long form of periodic table, there is no Roman numbers, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, up to 18, and that the periods. Okay, last we will count the how many elements are present in periods. Okay, first period how many will be there? Okay, in the first period here I will write only 2 elements are there. In second period here 2 and here 6, total 8, and here also 2 plus 6, 8, and here 6 are there here 10 and here 2. 6 plus 2 plus 10. Okay, how much? 18 will come. And here also 18 will comes. And next, in the after lanthanum, we have 14 elements are there. Those 14 elements also here only cerium to lutetium. Okay, for that reason, here 14 we have to take 14. Okay, I will write here 2 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6. Okay, how much will comes? Okay, that will comes as a 32. Isn't 32 elements are there, and here also 32 elements. Okay, this is about the total modern long form of periodic table. Okay, long form of periodic table. Okay, that's a way to remember the atomic numbers. Okay, one more trick like that they will say. Okay, what about the how to remember these elements? Okay, you can take the 18th group. You can take, and in order to get 10, we have to add 8. Okay, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 18, 54. 54 plus 32, 86. 86 plus 32, 118. Okay, 118. Okay, like that we can add. Okay, what about the elements? Okay, for example, in order to get this one, can take as a, here we can start with an A. Okay, in the first group we have a 2 having. Okay, 2 plus 1, okay, we will get as a 3. Okay, 3 plus 8, here the 8 are there. Okay, 3 plus 8, 11. 8 plus 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 18. Okay, that will give us as a 37. Again 18, 55. Again 32 gives as a 87. Okay, this is a way to remember the atomic numbers of the long form of periodic table. Okay, those students are interested in competitive exam like NEET and IIT. Okay, must you have to practice all the elements with atomic numbers. Okay, next coming classes I will give the blocks. Okay, what about the block wise classification? Next one more time I will give the same periodic table with electronic configuration. Okay, after 2-3 sessions, okay, I will give again electronic configuration, how to remember. Okay, here I didn't given that 2 lines are there. One is 57 to 72, okay, 57 to 7, okay, 58 to 71, and next one is 90 to 103. Okay, those are the lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, 2 lines will be in the downside. Okay, that is about the total long form of periodic table. Okay, thank you students.